Hi, everybody, and welcome to Cope with Hope. Today, Sharmila and me will be talking about dressing at night and makeup at night.
This week I found so many people, Nandini, who
Yeah.
called and said, we are fed up, we are
Yeah.
fed. Don't forget,
Yeah.
in Bombay, we haven't had a break like any other city.
No, we've
We've
had
not gone
no
out
break.
anywhere.
Yeah.
Hi, Ravina.
Yeah.
I can see Ravina's on the chat.
Yes, everyone's on the
Yes.
chat. Keep your
Yes.
questions ready. In the end, I'm going to take questions the last 5 minutes for Sharmila will ask them. So right now, Sharmila is just going to talk about dressing for night and dressing for day. Right?
Today, Ravina will like my talk because I'm going to talk about how in the night, when you're a plus size, you can wear black. And she's
Okay.
always in black. So she looks amazing in
Lovely.
every other color. But
Yes.
she tends to wear black because she's a plus size. Yeah. So
Okay,
today
so-
we're talking about, going out
Firstly,
at
tell me
night.
about your week. How's your week been?
The week was very good. I actually went out to a food hall to see. It was raining that day. It was drizzling, and my daughter said, "Come on, let's go." And I said, "Come
So you
on, I
went.
really want to see Bombay in the
Yes.
rain." And it was beautiful. It was drizzling. It was absolutely like a fresh new Bombay,
Oh, lovely.
And
Today I was
yeah,
thinking of walking, like from where I stay. I thought
yeah.
I'd walk to Marine Drive.
Yeah,
What do
you
you think
can,
of that?
by the way, you can. A lot of people
Yeah.
are walking, except you have to do it early because after 6:30,
Yes.
quarter seven, the cops keep coming in
I thought
US.
early in the morning.
Lovely, it's lovely, it's lovely. So
I
I've
might
had
do
my
that.
share of going out, and
Lovely.
then I'm now back on the terrace walking because it's not raining in the evenings. So that's
Okay.
nice.
And how would you describe this week for yourself?
Um, I had a meltdown one of those days, and I said that I don't know why I'm here and what is happening and where are we going next. It took me one day to get over it. I mean, like I really
Okay.
sort of thought about it, and I said, you know what, the safest thing is to be home.
Yes.
And because it is spreading, it's very contagious. A lot of people are getting it. I'm hearing a lot of buildings have it. So let's
Yes.
just be home and be happy. I mean, I think we need to be home.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this week was full of questions which there were no answers for.
Oh no, oh no. I also never had answers. I made my own answers, some of them. Oh no, yeah.
So I
think
decided
this
you
week
just
was tough for
accept.
many people.
Yeah.
This week I found was tough for many people because a
Yeah.
lot of my friends called me and said, "Oh God, we're still in the same place. We're still in the same,
Yes.
I mean, and it's a
4
long
months
time.
later.
4 months is a long time,
very,
and then
very
to
big
realize
time.
that we're going to be like this for another 2-3 months, at least.
A long time, yes. Guys, keep your questions ready. In the end, we'll take questions. Okay, so now let's start talking about dressing at night.
Okay, so dressing at night, I had a few things which you could say, which is lovely. Like I said, that's the time a plus size
Yeah.
person can dress in black. But there are 3 types of going out. One is they're going to someone's house, a
Yes.
few couples together, okay? One is you are going to a restaurant with a few friends. And another, of course, is going out for a party or an event or a black tie event. So when you're going to someone's house for dinner, and they're just few couples, it's not a big party, definitely wear comfortable shoes, and you don't have to wear full black. So one of the two can be full black, and preferably the top. You can keep the bottom a lighter color if you want, and it just gives you a little more of a evening feeling to wear that
Okay.
black on one of the top or bottom. But I would say the top, because at night accessories look very good on black. So if you want to wear a nice necklace, whether you want to wear a nice pair of earrings, and when you're carrying a bag, and it's a clutch bag, obviously at night, it just looks better when you put it off on black, not on white
Yes.
or lighter colors. If you go to a restaurant, remember your bottom half doesn't show, so it's your top half that will show. So wear something, whatever it is, flattering, which makes you look slimmer on the top half. And their accessories is a must. So even if you don't wear accessories like too much in the night and wear a chunky bracelet or a big ring or a simple earring, but when you go out for dinner, make sure your earrings are prominent or your necklace is prominent, because everybody's only seeing you waist above. The only other time is you're just entering the restaurant and leaving the restaurant. So at
Yeah.
which point, that's the only time someone's seeing your bottom or your shoe.
And any tips? Because in restaurants, people love to take selfies with everybody, and most people don't look their best in those
They
selfies.
don't look their best.
So
Yeah.
what tips for that?
Sorry. I can hear you now. Tell me.
What would be the tips for, what would be the
So,
tips
you know,
for a
one of
good
the things that
selfie?
I really don't like is when people go at the end of the table and say, everybody, you know, sort of get in. So you're taking the long shot of a table.
Yes, yes.
So make sure you don't just poke your head out. Because what happens is the person before you's body's there and you'll only look like just like your head is peeking out. Get onto the table, put your arm on the table and take a picture.
Oh, like down and up like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that, you know, your body's seen, kind
Okay.
of. And actually, I always say the last lot of people on the table at the back, get up. You know, so you
Okay.
can take the last lot of people
Yeah.
should get up because you always
Yeah.
the picture will have the forefront people and not the back. So the last
Yeah.
people should really get up.
Okay. And a good tip.
Get the good. Okay. Now, one more thing is when you're sitting at the dining table or you're going out for dinner, a lot of people our age, like I said last time, we need glasses.
Yes,
So
that's
when
why
the
I wear
menu
mine.
comes, we all pop out from our fancy bags, these reading glasses which make us all look like grandmothers.
No, you can get lovely glasses like mine.
That's it. So therefore, get yourself a nice fancy pair of glasses,
Yes.
which are not dark glasses, but they're tinted to go out in the night with to read the menu. So when you go to a party or someone's home for dinner, you don't need to pull out your glasses, but you need to read the menu when you go out to a restaurant. So get yourself a really nice pair of glasses, and so you can look fancy even then.
Lovely.
And of course, when you go out at night for an event or a black tie, a plus size person has to wear a black, full black, of course, but has to wear a black, something which covers themselves. So don't wear like a tight pair of pants and a short black t-shirt. No, wear a longish black and trousers. So whether it's a jacket which just covers your hips, so it's a jacket that it goes up to your knee, or a jacket that goes to the bottom, but it should be a dark color. By dark color, it just brings you into that evening feel. At which point it can be an open jacket, you could wear a necklace, like a lot of people have seen me do that, or it could be just a nice fitted black top, which has got very nice loose pants. Right now, these crinkle loose pants are in, the loose palazzos are in, or, you know, even, what do you call, really nice pair of black jeans or nice pair of tailored black trouser for a black tie.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yes.
So you look the part, and if you are a person who doesn't wear heels, that's very important. You find a wedge black shoe or a block black heel. A block heel, square block heel is very in. So you can have, it looks dainty, it looks nice. It can have crisscrosses in front. You know, the one with the stars, or any designer which has a really nice black shoe. Now, not necessarily do you have to wear a black shoe. You can wear a nude shoe. You can wear an animal print. You can wear a, you know, like a snakeskin print. You can mix and match it, so you don't have to then be just black, black, black. And of course, a lot of plus size people for black tie events wear Indian. So when you wear Indian, a black Indian doesn't have to be in full black. It can be a black Indian with a lovely chunni. It can have work in front, but the general look is black.
Okay, and what about makeup?
Now, makeup, I find you've got to have a little more makeup because any restaurant in the night has mood lighting. If you go to anyone's house, they have mood lighting. If you go to an event, it has mood lighting. So you've got to put on that base, figure out what color suits you. Very, very, very important. Don't look white like a ghost because you're wearing black and then you'll be white on the face. So wear a color that suits you. Like I said, go to MAC, ask them, try it out, figure it out. If you don't know how to do makeup at all, you can even go to MAC and do your full makeup. So go there, do your makeup because you look really glamorous. And here's a time where you can wear your bright lipsticks. That bright red from MAC, that Ruby Woo, or a bright pink. Here is when you brighten yourself up for this black. So make sure you have nice highlighted cheeks. Make sure you have good kajal, the smoky eye. So here is where you can look good. Now, smoky eye and bright lipstick don't go if you're going to someone's house just for dinner with few couples. But you can wear that bright lipstick. You don't have to do smoky eyes. You can just put your kajal. But you must look finished if you're wearing that full black. And finished look is that base. So you have to have that right color foundation, that right color cheeks, and the right color highlighter. So it just looks more finished.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So let me see if there are any questions. Let me just, Hello, both of you. So far, nothing. If you've got any questions, please let us know. I can see them on. Hello, how are you? Hello, both of you. Just general. Nothing.
Okay, and one very big thing, like I've
Nothing
always said,
about.
plus size people do not look slimmer in black. It does make you look slimmer in the night because it's
Yeah.
dark outside and you're in black, so it's okay. But in the day, plus size people should not be in full black. Like I said, one of the two, and try the brighter colors. That's very important. I also have noticed, Nandini, for makeup, people, lot of times, lot of people just put makeup because they see tutorials on Instagram. And they'll see somebody putting blush on, or Huda Beauty is doing someone's face, and layers of it. We are not going for a shoot. You don't need layers of it. You need to just cover and make your skin look clean. And then understand one thing is, take, if your friends are used to taking pictures and it's a birthday and you know there's going to be pictures, take a few selfies at home before you go, so you know that you're not looking white on the base. So
Yes.
just take
And
a
I
few,
like this idea of yours that go to MAC and get your makeup done.
go to MAC, get your makeup done. In fact, once I was traveling and I was in Dubai and I didn't have all my makeup and I was going out to a very fancy event. I actually booked MAC, went there, got my full makeup done and went out at night. And I said, oh my
Lovely.
God, this is so amazing. And you know, with the money that you spend, you buy products that they put on you. So you're actually
Okay,
buying the
lovely.
product only and they're doing your face. And
Brilliant.
which is a really good idea. But I feel everybody should once get their makeup done for sure. Because you feel you know what looks good on you, but actually maybe something else looks good on you. You know?
Yeah, especially because people are taking so many photographs these days.
So many photographs.
Everywhere you go,
Yeah.
click a selfie,
Yeah.
click another selfie.
Yeah.
So it's nice
But
that you will feel good also.
Yeah, and I also see a lot of girls in the day who go for lunches because we take a lot of pictures then and you take pictures.
Yeah.
Is don't
Overdo
overdo
it.
your makeup for the day.
Yeah.
Because I look at it and say, God, why is she so dressed up? It was a lunch. You know, even if it's a brunch and it's a celebration,
Yeah.
the day base has to be different to the night base. You know, the day base has to be a little more cleaner, softer. The makeup has to be softer. The kajal can be dark brown. You know, the lipstick can be like a coral. It can be pink. It can be, you know, there's so many colors now. You know, it doesn't have to be red and it doesn't have to be maroon or it doesn't have to be. So the day makeup and the night makeup should definitely look different.
Differ. So any last point before we end, Sharmila?
I feel we've covered all our plus size people for the day and for the night. Plus size people to travel in must travel light because you're a plus size. So make sure you don't have one suitcase, one handbag, jacket. You know, it's too much. Everybody has a phone, everybody has earphones. Travel light. Make sure you have one trolley and one crossbody. So your hands are free. Otherwise, what happens in a plus size? You start spreading yourself out, carrying so much baggage. That's another thing I've noticed. When you see people get onto a flight and say, why are they carrying so much luggage? They can barely fit through the aisles of the flight. You know, there's too much baggage happening.
But I think for everybody should be doing that.
Yes, everybody should travel light. Yeah, whenever we're going to travel now.
Yeah, God knows. Yeah. Okay, so tell me, next week, what are we going to be talking about? Something very exciting.
I don't know whether it's exciting. I actually thought about women above 50 are all kind of beginning or going to begin to menopause.
Yes.
I have gone through a bad menopause myself. And I know people who've whizzed past menopause without a symptom of anything. So just a few tips on that because you don't realize. I wish somebody had told me a few things. So let's discuss that. I think that's a great idea.
Yes. The
Yeah.
the mystery of menopause.
The mystery of menopause. Really. Yeah. Mystery of
Great.
menopause.
Okay.
Okay.
Lovely. Thank you so much.
Not at
Sharmila.
all. See you soon.
And
Hi,
have a
Erica.
wonderful
I can see
week.
Erica's on.
Oh, hi, Erica.
Yes.
Lovely. Hi, Erica. Hi, everybody. Thank you so much, everybody, for coming again and again. Makeup tips were on point, says Erica. Thanks.
Okay.
Okay, good. Great. So
Okay.
for next week, we're going to be covering menopause,
Yes.
the mysterious,
The mystery.
magical
How the
menopause.
family, your children, and your friends should deal with it
Yeah.
because it is something to deal with.
And how you should also deal with it.
Yes.
Okay.
Very important. Very important.
Thank you, everybody. See you next week.
See
Bye.
you.
Bye,
Bye.
Shams.